Okay, now language. The first thing that we do when we do language are what we call the sandpaper letters. So it's all the letters of the alphabet, but we don't learn letters. We learn the sounds, and it has this little, whatever you would call this. So when you trace
Sand?
it, yeah, exactly. So whenever you trace it, your finger feels it.
Like
You don't need to have those things at home, but you can have just regular letters of the alphabet, and it's just you need to practice the sounds of them rather than the name of the letter. All of the children will get the name of the letters on their own.
It could be like
Later, so I'm
blind
gonna show you. Okay. So we go through all the sounds, and then the next step is when they know all their sounds or the majority of them, we start the process of blending sounds. So I usually start with the sandpaper letters, and usually the easiest middle sound is A. So I'm gonna put some sounds available.
Do it.
And that's my last sound, my final sound. Okay, Juliette, let's try. Qu'est-ce que c'est?
A.
Okay, qu'est-ce que c'est? What does it do? What does it make?
Mat. Mat.
Très bien. Okay, now let's try this one.
A. Sat. Sat.
Very good. Okay, now, can you make the word fat? Okay, so what is it?
At. Fat.
Very good. Can you make